My name is David Pittman. I'm the president and CFO of the Bennett Family of Companies. Bennett is a unique carrier in the logistics space because we say there's nothing we can't move, and I think every day we commit ourselves to that. It's an amazing array of business units that just come together to make the Bennett Family of Companies.
Hi, my name is Roy Perry. I've been with Bennett Truck Transport for 29 years. I am the president of BTT. Bennett Truck Transport provides services such as school units housing, be it modular or be it HUD housing. We do tear down setup. We cover about any needs there is in the modular office unit housing business. The Bennett Family of Companies helps Bennett Truck Transport in so many ways. They allow us to have a lease-purchase program for new drivers coming up in the industry. They also allow us to train a driver that has a good CDL that's never pulled oversized loads before. And in this industry, that's something that's very uncommonly heard of. So there's been a whole lot of growth, a whole lot of excitement, a whole lot of fun.
My name is Kathy Sweat. My title is Terminal Manager, and I've been with Bennett Truck Transport almost 20 years. We try to make sure that our drivers are safe. They need everything that they need. What it is like of being a part of the larger Bennett Family of Companies is that we can work with each other from terminal to terminal. The drivers don't only have to work out of our place, they can work at other places, and it's just a big family-oriented business.
We can all do things from sweet potatoes to rockets. We just make it happen.